verse, it's time to shake ground in the 8th round. Box battle will break down for the beat in the rhyme tone. Jump in the cyclone, S-T-Y-L-E-S, yes I know. The rap theme, backseat, pack rap theme, put 'em up. You pluck the bad seed off the wall, spitting the gorilla tag team. What's up now, duck down, stuck, they can't breathe.
Yo, you know the routine, the demon effect, please don't step. You wanna beat one of my pet peeves? The more beef, the better. Sounds strange, you all wanna creep together. Okay, in the club with a cheesy sweater. Why not? We got so much street credit, the rookie police let us. Now that's foolish, cause we don't act sweet. Cause I can run 10 laps in a track.
Keep it moving, it's on now. Making it walk loud, shaking the buck loud. Breaking the punk style, faking the funk pow. Duck, watch the pump, what now? Watch the battle shit was up down. Click, click, pow. Nah, down. What? Just what I thought was up now. Click, click, pow. Nah, down. What? Just what I thought was up now. I'm like,
hold it down, never get banned styles. Let the limbs on whether you want it to end. Dirty McGinn, I burn them again. 05 serving them sins, and 38 friends get knocked out, turning the wind. Hopped out, what you want? Take a look at my grin. I'm a bitch, you can tell by the clippers and fins.
come on, I got a rock style. With the horse brain, and Joe with them with the distorted guitar string. Who am I? Rushing with leg, cool and tie. Pushing it back, how they make it back in July. Area 5-1, stereo, popcorn live. We go West Soul, we drop song. For the kids in the hall with the new block tape. Blast with both things like boom, I say. So get up, and let the sound hit ya. Snap this audio style picture. Keep it moving, it's on now. Making it rock loud, shaking the rock loud. Breaking the punk style, faking the funk pow. Duck, watch the pump, what now? Watch the battle shit be sunk down. Click, click, pow. Nah, down. What? Just what I thought was up now. Click, click, pow. Nah, down. What? Just what I thought was up now. I'm like, ribs splitting the belly up on the shellfish. Shitting Indian style, playing the fell blitz. Drilling your brain like grabbing video games. Fill it with but the style shit's getting into your veins.
yo, what kind of stuff is he drawing? Really your style, really beyond. Come on, punk, shove off. You really gotta be gone. Ripped out of your brain, tripped over your lip. Your distance, SOB gang. What's with this? Chillin', eating kibbles and bits. Or in a street dog in the globe, I can't fix. Get it? I'm sick with it when I spit the venom in it. Drips up in a minute, gets the women in a quick dilemma. We can settle it now, and I don't know who did it, but they said it was Styles. Click, pow, nah, down. What? Just what I thought was up now.